Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix slow performance issue after update in Windows 10 or 11. Go to Windows search bar, type File Explorer, click on Open it, click on this PC, click on Local Disk C, click on Windows, click on Software Distribution, right click and select and delete all the files. Right click on Start button, click on Run, type clean mgr, click on OK, select all files and then click on OK. Delete all the file. Go to Windows search bar, type cmd, right click Run as administrator, type sfc/scan now and click enter. It will take some time, wait till the scan is completed. After the scan, go to Windows search bar again, type troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshoot, click on Windows update, run the troubleshoot. That's it, and thanks for watching.